Gloria from Wilmington wrote to ask me what I'm doing to support schools in providing healthier meals to students. Well, Gloria, providing nutritious meals in our schools helps our children to develop good eating habits from an early age and sets them on a path for a healthier life. It makes them not just better students and better learners, but helps them grow and to be healthier throughout their lives and as adults. I was proud to support the 2014 Farm Bill, signed into law in February, which expands the successful fresh fruit and vegetable program for schools. That builds on an experience I had as county executive, where I launched the Buy From Your Neighbor program that helped connect local growers of vegetables and healthy produce with our schools and with farmers markets throughout Newcastle County. The 2014 Farm Bill also authorizes an initiative to help address Delaware's need to improve access to healthy fruits and vegetables for school children, seniors, and underserved communities. I'm excited about recently launched expansion of national nutrition programs for healthy, free lunches and breakfast to students, and hope you'll stay in touch with my office as we continue to work together to make sure that these programs benefit more than 22,000 schools across the country. Thank you.